Hello and welcome. This is Gilly Kube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, using acrylic fluid art for this creation as usual. I really want to do this week things that are really bright and uplifting. So much bad news out there, so it's nice to just do something that makes you feel uplifted, I find anyway. So I've got this hexagonal canvas, and I'm really going to put all my rainbow of colours around the outside of this canvas, and I can tell you it just really pops with joy and vitality. For me it does. And remember, this is all about how it makes you feel when you're creating it, and the colours and the whole process. This is nothing, this can be quite personal because it's to do with you, not what other people say about your art, criticise you or put you down. It's your art, your rules, your way. And it is a definite therapy for most people to create. It's a joy, I find. It can be frustrating, things don't turn out, but certainly more so a joy. Now, those lovely bright colours there are orange, bright yellow and red. So I think I only will add a couple more colours, as I do get accused of using too much colours. But remember, as I say, it's your decisions. Don't let anybody steer you off your path of the idea or colour you have in your head. Just go with the flow, I say. Pour your heart out. So that's just some white that I'm going to hope helps me when I blow some of that paint in towards the centre. So I'll kind of try to blow half of it in towards the centre and half of it out over the edges. Super happy with that blowout. Look at those colours, no muddiness, really bright and fiery. And now it's for the magic of a balloon kiss. Just showing you the sort of, that is just blown up with air. Still a bit squidgy enough to hold in your hand and grip at. And you put the belly button of the balloon through your fingers like that, so it's nice and easy to grip. and then you push quite firmly into your paint. As I say before, if the paint is the correct consistency, you're going to get a really lovely balloon kiss. But also a tip is to always wipe off the paint after each balloon kiss most time. It just stops it going muddy, and I find you get the better results. So just work with it. You can kiss back into exactly the same area that you've already kissed. It just might take a bit more paint off for you if you're trying to offload some paint that might be too much on your canvas. But as you can see, this is really coming to life, and it looks kind of 3D effect that you're looking into that centre. Instead of the black hole, it's a purple hole. So I will continue embellishing this, and I've got another little trick up my sleeve that I'm about to use. This is just my smaller balloon. It just gives even more definition in the centre of your already balloon kissed with the bigger balloon. Just gives a little bit more definition. And if you want to add even more definition, you can put a little blob of black before you kiss it that second time, and it kind of creates like the insert of your flower effect. I'm not sure what is the centre of the flower called. I'm not sure. But I'm sure somebody will know. So I'm actually at this point I'm picking out my catalyst wedge, and I want to do just a few wispy bits into the centre of that painting to give it more of a 3D effect. So that's a catalyst wedge. Anyone's looking for any of the products that I use, or is a beginner and wants to learn how to mix your paints and start, underneath this video in the drop down box in the description, there is a link to my Amazon store, which I got all these products in and paints, and also there's links to my playlist for beginners or different techniques. So it's all there. You don't need to wonder or go and find these things out if you just get into the bottom description box. So I know I get lots of questions sent to me, is exactly how do you mix and how do you do it? Well, it's all there. It's all there, and for you to watch a video and put it on pause while you mix your paints and go through it with me. So I hope that does help. I'm going to bring you down in a second for some close-ups of this beautiful piece. I'm just going over this, super happy with these really bright, vibrant colours. I know just the person that this one's meant to be for. So they're really like Hawaiian, reminds me of Hawaiian colours. Super colourful, super fun to do. I'm really happy with this one, so let the drying gods be with me, and yeah, really enjoyed this one. I hope you love it too. I hope that this video finds you all well. If you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, and if not, a helpline. There is always someone there to help you if needed. Oh, until tomorrow, I will say bye for now. Please take care.